So these are the headphones. Let me turn on the noise cancellation. So I have the headphones connected and I could barely hear myself speak. I know you could hear it because of the mic, but these headphones are so comfortable. Wireless headphones with active noise cancellation. They come with this little pouch, little velvet black pouch, really soft, nice, with the little drawstrings, the pull strings. And it comes with the charger. It's a type C and the auxiliary. So let me show you these headphones and how they look and the features they got. Here's a little travel bag. I have the speakers inside. They fold up. So like I said, they're really comfortable. They're labeled left and right. They have cushion right here, cushion on the ears. There's the little charging port, the light to turn on, the volume. You could answer your phones. You answer and turn on with the power, and you can skip the track if you hold it. Hold the volume up or volume down. Hold it for 2 seconds. It'll skip the track. And want the volume up or volume down, just press it one time. So you could answer your phone calls. Really nice headphones. Oh, and it has the noise cancellation right here. So let me play some music so you could hear the difference. I forgot to mention, they extend out to get larger to fit your head. So you can make them bigger or smaller.